In the world of heavy-duty trucking, the right diagnostic scanner can save time, reduce downtime, and prevent costly misdiagnoses. Heavy-duty truck scanners bridge engine, transmission, exhaust aftertreatment, and body electrical systems, often supporting J1587, J1939, J1708 protocols and OEM-specific interfaces. For fleets, long-haul operators, and independent shop techs, a tool that offers full system reads, DPF regeneration.
Product number 1. Nexas Heavy Duty Truck Scanner NL102. Full System Diesel Truck Scan Tool for Cummins. The NL102 is pitched as a full system diesel diagnostic tool with broad heavy-duty coverage, including Cummins, Detroit, Caterpillar, Freightliner, International, and many more, plus complete OBD2 functionality. It features 6-pin, 9-pin, and 16-pin connectors for versatile compatibility and offers lifetime free updates in multiple languages. Notably, the NL102 emphasizes full system diagnostics across engine, transmission, ABS, instrument panel, and more, with a robust DTC library and battery health monitoring. It does not include DPF regeneration in this variant, which is a notable limitation for fleets that rely on after-treatment maintenance. Performance-wise, NL102 provides real-time data streams and freeze-frame data with a user-friendly interface. The device relies on Windows compatibility and ships with multilingual support and 24/7 technical assistance. Practical use cases include routine fault code clearing, live data tracking for preventative maintenance, and battery condition assessment. The device's strength is broad protocol support and long-term software accessibility, making it a strong budget to mid-range option for shops handling varied makes.
Product number 2. Ancel HD 3400 Pro Heavy Duty Truck Scanner, DPF regeneration. The HD 3400 Pro sits at the premium end of the tested lineup, priced at $399.99. It is designed specifically for heavy-duty trucks with strong emphasis on DPF regeneration, DPR state control, and broad engine compatibility. Cummins, Detroit, Caterpillar, Picard, Volvo, Mack, International, etc. It promises lifelong free updates and Android-based operation with a focus on professional maintenance workflows for Class 7-8 trucks. It acknowledges potential OEM protocol limitations and encourages users to verify compatibility for proprietary interfaces. In practice, HD 3400 Pro excels at DPF-related maintenance, regeneration, code read clear, ECU retrieval, and state control, while also providing standard diagnostic functions like live data, fault code reading, and data streaming. Its strength is targeted after-treatment capability, which can translate to substantial cost savings by extending DPF life and reducing major repairs. The user experience benefits from fast scans and clear results, though some protocols may require careful matching to specific engine families, Cummins, Picard, Caterpillar, Detroit, etc. Product number 3. Heavy-Duty Truck Scanner Full System Diesel Diagnostic Scan Tool HDOBD/EOBD/OBD2 Automotive Code Reader for cars. The JDiag HD10 is a compact Linux-based scanner designed for universal fit across 12V/24V vehicles with 6-pin and 9-pin adapters. It targets heavy-duty use with full system diagnostics, engine, transmission, ABS, suspension, dashboards, climate, and more, and supports standard protocols including J1939/J1587/J1708, ISO standards, and CAN variants. It emphasizes practical one-handed operation, a 2.4-inch color display, and an emphasis on data translation, providing code meaning/translation to accelerate troubleshooting. Performance-wise, the HD10 provides quick fault code reading and clearing, live data streaming, and a broad fault coverage footprint across heavy-duty platforms since 1996. The built-in translator function helps non-expert users interpret codes quickly, which reduces diagnostic guesswork. The device's value proposition is its balance of depth and portability, making it suitable for shop technicians who need a versatile tool across multiple brands. Limitations include a smaller screen and Linux-based UI that may not feel as slick as Windows-based interfaces. Some advanced features may lack the OEM-specific depth of higher-priced competitors.
Product number 4. Heavy-duty truck scanner. The NC610 is positioned as an accessible heavy-duty OBD2/HD OBD tool with 9-pin and 16-pin connectors and a 2.8-inch display. It powers from the vehicle and promises broad diesel compatibility, including capability for 12V/24V vehicles and strong data streaming for engine, transmission, ABS, and other systems. It emphasizes a plug-and-play experience with a dedicated 9-pin connector, battery voltage testing, and fault indicators. It's a price leader at $85.49, highlighting value-focused buyers. In practice, the NC610 delivers quick fault code reads and erasings, live data streams, and a robust fault code library, 50,000+ codes, across multiple languages. The device additionally supports battery health checks and a 2.8-inch display with a straightforward interface. However, it has notable compatibility caveats. It excludes specific models like Freightliner, International, Kenworth, Cascadia, Volvo VNL, certain tractors, and all trucks with a 6-pin connector. The tool is ideal for owners with broadly compatible heavy-duty diesel fleets who want a budget option with essential diagnostic capabilities. Product number 5. Nexas NL102P Heavy-Duty Truck Scanner with DPF Regen Oil Reset. The NL102P is the DPF-focused variant from Nexas, priced at $269.99, adding professional DPF reset and regeneration workflows, including DOC cleaning, parking regeneration, and onboard regeneration, to the NL102's full system capabilities. It supports heavy-duty trucks across J1587, J1939, and J1708, and retains 6, 9, 16 pin connectors for broad compatibility, plus oil life reset and battery monitoring. The NL102P is designed for Class 4 through 8 trucks and emphasizes DPF maintenance as a core feature, making it particularly attractive to fleets dealing with emissions control challenges. Performance-wise, the NL102P provides targeted DPF maintenance alongside standard diagnostic capabilities, delivering real-time data streams and comprehensive system coverage for engine, transmission, ABS, and beyond. Its oil light and service resets for Cummins and other engine families expand routine maintenance capabilities. The main caveat is ensuring model year compatibility. Nexas recommends confirming vehicle compatibility before purchase. For customers where DPF and emission control maintenance is a priority, the NL102P offers a well-integrated solution with the added benefit of lifelong software updates.